Friends, thanks for being a subscriber of Profit in Equities. The one major thing we felt was missing in our channel was more educational content. A lot of people want to start with investing in equities or other investment avenues and they do not have the information for it. So from today's video, we are starting a new initiative whereby we'll be talking about avenues for investment, all details about financial systems, how to go ahead and start investing in equities, about bonds, debentures, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and covering all spheres of profitable investments. So this is the first in the series, and today we discuss about why we absolutely must invest. Please watch this video to know more. Now, consider the case of an average Indian employee. He starts his career with something around 6 lakh rupees if you are in a white collar job, and his expenses would roughly equate to about 3,60,000 rupees. This is yearly figures. If you look at monthly figures, it would be 50,000 rupees of earnings per month and about 30,000 of expenses per month. Now, this leaves him with an investable surplus or excess of rupees 20,000. Now consider a scenario where every year his salary gets incremented by 10% and his expenses increase because of inflation, which is the rate of increase of everything around him in terms of its cost. Now suppose that inflation increases by 8%. Now if you were to do the math, you would figure out that at the end of 20 years, and here we are assuming only 20 years, this person who has not invested, who has just kept his money in a vault, just say, he would have saved close to 1,17.6 lakh rupees. Now, if you were to do the same math, you would also figure out that his last yearly expense, the 20th year of expenses, would be in the region of 15 lakh rupees. And that would again increase by 8% every year. So this amount, this 1,76 lakh rupees at his retirement time would only last him about 8 years at this 8% rate of inflation. Now this is a very scary scenario and a lot of us are dealing with it. Why? Because they do not have adequate money for retirement. Now consider a different scenario. Now let's consider that this individual, with everything remaining same, his salary remaining same at rupees 50,000, the annual inflation remaining at 8%. However, he did an intelligent thing. He went ahead and invested his money in some sort of an investment which gave him about 12% return per year. You know, at the end of the same period, what he would be left with, that's about 4.2 something crores. Now, that is a very substantial amount of money and will last him a long time. Now, why did this happen? Why did this difference happen? This difference happened because this person went ahead and chose to invest his money where there was the compounding effect applied and his money went on increasing day by day. Now, he would be able to go ahead and comfortably retire without the thought of having to worry for his future. Now this is why you must invest, to secure your future and to ensure that no want of yours is substituted just because of the want of money. Now friends, this was just the first video. In the next video, we'll be talking about what are stocks, what are the stock markets, what are the exchanges, what are the financial intermediaries, and what are the various avenues of investment. So please keep watching this channel. And if you have not already subscribed it, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.